Hi there, this is Bates with Legal Technology Solutions, and I decided to make this video because many of our clients want to work remotely and they are looking for a quick solution that they can use, ideally for free. And one of the things that we found is TeamViewer to be very user-friendly and simple to use. So what we need to do is make sure that the program is installed on both your source computer and the destination computer. The easiest way that we found that we can download it without too many questions and pop-ups and whatever is going to ninite.com and scroll down, look for TeamViewer, and get your Ninite. That's going to download the little installer. We can, as soon as this is starting to install, I'm going to close the web browser. And right now, Ninite is installing the program. You can see here from the details when it's going to be done. I already had TeamViewer version 14 on this computer, the test lab computer that I'm recording right now, and Ninite will actually update it to the latest version. Done. It's going to say status OK over here. You're going to close this window and open TeamViewer. TeamViewer now gives you your ID and a password. This is the computer. Let's say this is the computer you want to connect from. And what you need to do is obviously install the same process we did right now. You need to install TeamViewer on your destination computer, let's say your office computer. Your office computer is going to come up with a different user ID and a different password. This is a random password. There's a couple of things that you need to do on the office computer. On the office computer, the destination computer you're trying to connect to, you want to check the box that will start TeamViewer with Windows. Basically, that will run TeamViewer as a service, so you don't have to remember to open it every time. And the other thing you want to do on your office computer, destination computer, is set personal password. When you set a personal password, it will then allow you to remember that, obviously. And we're going to click OK. The other features over here are really cool to look at as well, but for the sake of this video, we're going to make it simple. So I created that username and the password here, the temp password. Now, what I'm going to do next is show you what would happen when you're connecting from your home. So now we switch gears and let's say this is the home computer you're trying to connect from. What you need to do is put in the partner ID that shows up on this section of your office computer. In this screen right now, this is the ID of the home computer. But on your office computer, you're going to see an ID as well. That's the one you have to type in here. So this is the ID of my office computer. I'm going to put it in here and click connect. It's going to ask me for the one-time password. That's the one that you set up in the office. I'm going to type it in here. And there it is. Right now, what we can see is my desktop at my office computer. There's a few things to know over here. First of all, everything that I'm doing on the office computer is showing you live right now. But that also means that everything you're doing from home, everything you're clicking on over here, will show up on the office computer as well. So if you open a program, for example, on the office computer remotely, anybody that looks at your screen on the office will see that program up and running there. That's one thing to know. The next thing that you want to do is know how to disconnect, and the easiest way to do it will be from the actions over here, end session. And when you click on end session, it will also lock your remote computer. You can also lock the remote computer from here as well and still stay connected. Send Control-Alt-Delete in case you need to log into the Windows credentials. It requires Control-Alt-Delete first. This is all from the actions. And under the view, in this example, I'm connecting to my office computer. My office computer has 4 monitors. So this is really what my office computer looks like. If I'm going to open a couple of programs over here, it will be very easy to see what it looks like real time, real life, but this is going to become very small. So going to view and choosing which screen you actually want to see will make a lot more sense. Another thing we can do is go to Files and Extras, and we can open File Transfer. And that allows you to send files from your personal home computer to the office computer and back and forth. So this is the computer we're connecting from, the local, and this is my desktop at the office, the remote computer, and I can just go to Documents over here and Documents over here, and I should be able to just drag files back and forth between the two. If you have any questions, please reach out to us, bates@legaltechnology.solutions or 480-614-4227 extension 1. Thanks, guys.